In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sheet summary report in Smartsheet. A sheet summary report is a powerful way to pull high-level information from multiple sheets into one place. It's especially useful if you're managing several projects and want to see key metrics, like status, budget, or dates, all together without opening each individual sheet. First, open Smartsheet and make sure you're on the Home or Workspaces area where you can see your sheets and folders. At the top left of the screen, look for the Create button. Go ahead and click Create. This is where you start whenever you want to make something new in Smartsheet, such as a sheet, dashboard, or, in our case, a report. After clicking Create, a panel or window will appear asking where you want to save this new item. Click on Select a location. This lets you choose the folder or workspace where your new report will live. It's a good idea to keep it in a workspace that your team can access, especially if you plan on sharing the report with others. Once the location picker opens, browse through your folders or workspaces and select the one that makes the most sense for this report. When you've chosen the right place, confirm your selection. This helps keep your Smartsheet environment organized, so you don't lose track of your reports later on. Next, in the creation options, look for the item labeled Report. Click on Report. Smartsheet will now give you different report types to choose from. Reports in general let you pull together information from one or more sheets, but we specifically want a summary level view. From the list of report types, click on Sheet Summary Report. This type of report focuses on the sheet summary fields of your sheets rather than the individual rows. It's perfect for executive roll-ups, portfolio overviews, or tracking consistent metrics across multiple projects. After choosing Sheet Summary Report, Smartsheet will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll typically be asked to choose which sheets you want to include, which summary fields you'd like to display, and any filters or conditions you want to apply. Take a moment to think about what information is truly important, so your report stays clean and meaningful. Once you've worked through the prompts, Smartsheet will generate your sheet summary report. From there, you can adjust columns, rename the report, and save it. That's all you need to get a sheet summary report up and running in Smartsheet.